Hey guys, my name is Aaron, and I just wanted to welcome y'all to the shop. Think of this as an introduction to my channel and kind of things that we have around here to work on. Right here behind me is my 94 F350. It's got a 12 valve in it, but we can go about and talk about the different vehicles that I have at another point. If y'all want to see that and see how I come about all of them, just let me know. But today, we're really going to focus on cleaning this shop up, kind of let it go for a little while, and I'm going to just speed it up and let y'all watch as I clean everything up and talk at y'all. So let's get started. Hey now, today we're just doing some cleaning up inside. It's almost time for me to head back to work, and the clouds look to be promising rain. Matter of fact, it started coming down pretty heavy halfway through the video. Never mind that. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Aaron David. I'm 25 and I'm a diesel mechanic. I went to trade school for it about a year out of high school. I've worked on quite a few medium duty and heavy duty diesel trucks. And actually, during trade school, we did so many overhauls and engine rebuilds. I truly found what I loved doing. We would tear into old Cummins, Cats, Detroits, Internationals, Max, whenever we could find and whatever we could get our hands on. It really didn't matter to me. Something about being covered head to toe in soot and oil just sat right with me. Once I graduated, I feel like I needed to go make more money. So I left this passion for a life on the road, working in gas compression. Since then, I've made a few advancements in my career, but I've never made it back to what I loved. And, I've made moves to better support myself, but I still have that yearning to go work on diesels. Honestly, it isn't just diesel engines. It's anything with an engine. It's diesel, gas, natural gas, anything. These things are what I love. My goal is to improve on a vehicle any way that I can. Smoother suspension, more horsepower, more torque, a more comfortable driving experience. The list just goes on. And just something in me can never leave anything alone. I know I wanted to save talking about this for a later date, but like the 94 behind me in the beginning of the video, once it's finished, I'm not sure what will be untouched on it. It seems the phrase, I might as well. I'm already here as sunk down deep and not let go. Now, I feel I need to address this. I am not the best mechanic in the world. I am just a young guy following his passion and sharing his ups and downs along the way. To be completely honest, I started this to help keep myself accountable with finishing these projects. I'll tell you firsthand, it is difficult to work on a big project, period. Especially when you feel like you're doing it all alone. Because the people who care about your interests don't share the same passions as you. And the people who do care, you hardly ever see, whether they live so far away or your schedules don't just line up. But I hope that in sharing these videos and these passions I have with these things, I hope that y'all enjoy these things as much as I do. And I hope that y'all will join me in the process of working on these projects and making minor and major upgrades to the trucks that I have, the vehicles that I have, and making repairs whenever things break, whether that be small or large, and just simply learning as much as we can about all these different engines and transmissions and rear ends and whatever makes a vehicle we can learn about. Guys and girls, I ask that you join me as we go through the ups and downs of these projects. Honestly, I hope y'all will enjoy finding my mistakes funnier than I do. Either way, remember I'm all over anything with an engine. If this sounds interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some suggestions in the comments of what y'all would like to see. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to y'all a little later. Have a great day.